the new administration is the dominant fundamental factor. I mean, look at Bitcoin.
Right. That's had an explosive move. If we look at the monthly chart for IBIT, one of the ETFs in this space up almost 39% in a month, Jim. And full
I mean,
disclosure, I do own it.
I own, well, I have a Bitcoin, I have a crypto hedge fund. And I think
Yeah.
this, everyone who's familiar with Bill O'Neill and CanSlim should be well aware of the Livermore large number. My interpretation is a large number pivot. When he was looking at Bethlehem Steel, he said, I'm waiting for the large round number. I think it was 400. And he found through history that when a stock breaks a major round number, it not only hits it, it runs way past. So I think, the world is really not aware of the Bitcoin rally. If you search Google for Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, it is so far off historical highs. But if it breaks out over 100,000, it'll be the largest number pivot ever in history. I expect a significant run. And then every media outlet is going to broadcast, 100K globally. Every news outlet's going to blast it out there. The public's going to see that and they're going to chase. I mean, I'm expecting fireworks if we break the 100,000. And I honestly think it's almost inevitable. We're about halfway in the cycle off the bottom to the halvening. We're right in line where we should be taking off. The tidal wave is coming.
The tidal wave is coming in crypto. Jim Roppel, you heard it here first. And again, you can see when Bitcoin really got going here, and that was November 6th. Of course, there were some early entries, I think 10, 11, perhaps a good day to get aggressive there, Jim. But even those who waited for that election certainty to be out of the way, waited for the breakout, you got that chance. So it seems like the momentum is definitely here. And when you do get more money coming in off of the sidelines with that 100K level that we're getting pretty darn close to, Jim. So it sounds like you expect a lot more money to be coming off of the sidelines. We've been talking over the last year, you and I, about this democratization of crypto, more of these ETFs, making it easier for people to allocate into their portfolios, crypto becoming more mainstream, more money managers getting behind it. So, and now you do have political figures, so to speak, who also are pro crypto. So it does seem like there's a lot of favorable elements there.
I was at Bitcoin Nashville, and I met Howard Lutnick. I talked to him. I watched Trump's presentation. They are super. Trump has crypto corporations. He owns crypto. Howard Lutnick has hundreds of millions of dollars of crypto. Elon was accepting crypto for payment on Teslas. But there are losers. You can see that gold, GLD, and GDX 3 days after the election topped, and it's there will be losers and winners, and so now gold. I mean, Bitcoin is a better gold, and the market agrees, and so people were dumping gold to buy Bitcoin. At least that's my interpretation of this, but it's bigger than just Bitcoin. I mean, Ethereum was widely considered to be dead, and all of a sudden it has erupted out. Solana is acting great. Coinbase is 3 weeks tight.
We haven't even talked about MicroStrategy yet. What a month for that stock. Wild.
This is kind of flag. Okay, MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor. Initially people thought he might be absolutely crazy, and now he looks kind of more like a genius. If Bitcoin goes higher, MicroStrategy is going to go significantly higher. And I know it seems hard, but markets do funny things. I mean, who thought Uplovian was going to go up, 200-300% in just a matter of months?
Right. So there's a look at ticker APP. So with MicroStrategy, you said it has a flag-like structure then. So Jim, you think this thing is buyable at some point in the near future?
Look, we're in a highly elevated, this has pulled back a lot because of its levered nature, But on an upside reversal, if BTC cracks 100,000 to the upside, and this has an upside reversal, it's going to go to Mars. I mean, look, I wouldn't be shocked if Bitcoin itself goes from 100 to 125, 130,000 in a week or two. And well, what's that going to do to MicroStrategy?
Yeah. Well, they are highly correlated, but they aren't in lockstep.
No, there's premiums and discounts. MicroStrategy is trading at premiums and discounts to the underlying. Now, a great premium at this minute. If you're not willing to take that risk or play that game, a Roppel Report subscriber made $55 million. A 41-year-old made $55 million with MicroStrategy on MicroStrategy calls.